Om Jnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So to start off with, we'll sing one kirtan which describes the whole function and mission of Krishna consciousness. In traditional Bengali culture, it's sung at the end of functions, but we'll sing it at the beginning. Because actually in Krishna consciousness, there's no end of one function means the beginning of another. Please pass the songbooks around and find the song Hare Nama Krishna Jandavaya Nama. So welcome to one and all. We're assembled here again. Why? Why have you all come here? We would like to offer some reasons for coming to this festival. What are we doing here? What's the purpose? Whatever anyone does, they do because they want to get something from that. They want to get something of benefit. So what do we hope to gain by coming here? Who would like to proffer any suggestions?
Come to meet the oldest to associate. To hear from the oldest or understand that we are not material world.
You want to say that again? So for association, we can do together. Any other suggestions? Get photographed?
To hear and to chant, to serve each other, to glorify Krishna, to increase our Krishna consciousness, to learn how to serve.
Everything centered on. Yeah, alright.
To charge our batteries with spiritual energy.
Inspiration. This kirtan we just sung, Hare Nama Krishna, that gives us many clues. Prabhupada often quoted this line, Tandera Charana Shri Bhakti Shamibhas, Janame Janame Hoy Ayo Vilash. We would quote this and say that our ambition is to serve the previous acharyas in the association of devotees. So we also have study Bhagavat and Gita. We have? Yes. Let's sing the song that comes there. Hari Guru Vaishnava Bhagavat Gita. Anande Bolo Hari Bhaja Vrindavan Shri Guru Vaishnava Pade Majayana. We can say this is the purpose of this festival. You're looking at the book, what's the translation? Oh, it's a long one. Well, Anande Bolo Hari means happily chant the names of Krishna, worship Vrindavan, and the mind will take pleasure in remembering the lotus feet of Guru and Vaishnavas. So we've come here, we'll be here starting from tomorrow, the first actual day, and there's 5 full days. So at least during these 5 days we should be fully absorbed in Krishna consciousness. This coming together for Vaishnava festivals means the opportunity to be fully in Krishna consciousness. We don't have to think about anything about the material world. We should just hear and chant about Krishna and the association of devotees. This means to enter the spiritual world, where there's only hearing and chanting about Krishna and serving Krishna. So there should be no talk of anything but Krishna, how to serve Krishna. Everyone can dress nicely as Vaishnavas. Everyone can help serve in various ways. The festival culminates in Radhashtami. Srimati Radharani is the ultimate object of worship for the Gauriya Vaishnavas. So after spending 5 days here, we should come or emerge from this atmosphere as better devotees. Materialistic people go to the Black Sea for their holidays. They work, they go for recreation, and they come back. They live their lives without any direction or purpose. But devotees daily endeavor to advance in Krishna consciousness, to perform activities which are advantageous for advancement in Krishna consciousness. Bhakti Vinod Krishna Bhajane Anukul Paitaha Pratidi Vashe Paramashukri Shikara Kariyitaha. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says that whatever he finds favorable for serving Krishna, he very happily engages in that every day. So we have our daily activities of chanting, hearing, serving Krishna and his devotees. This is an opportunity to do so very intensely. So we should come out of this festival as better devotees, with more conviction, more determination, more enthusiasm to serve Krishna and his devotees more and more and more. So please bear this in mind. Engage in this festival with mind, body and words. Festival means utsav. The Sanskrit word is utsav. Expression of pleasure. Automatically, hearing and chanting about Krishna is automatically. Pleasure is there because Krishna is the reservoir of all pleasure. So therefore, festival means Anande Bolo Hari, chant Hare Krishna and be happy. So as usual, we'll have class in the morning and in the evening questions and answers. And during the day, some seminars. There are also plenty of service opportunities. And on Wednesday, we're planning to go to the local market for chanting the names of Krishna publicly. And then Friday dedicated to glorification of Srimati Radharani. There will also be an initiation ceremony on that day. So this is the program. Very simple. Hearing and chanting about Krishna. I heard there'll also be some, there'll be some gopis coming. Gopis coming. Krishna is going to stop them, prevent them coming through the ghat. Yeah. They're all ready for that. The gopis are all the way milking the cows. No one to reply. Let's see whose side everyone's on. On Krishna's side or the gopis' side. Hare Krishna. Oh yeah, every evening at 7 o'clock. Alright, that's the opening words. Opened. So I guess we can get on with hearing and chanting about Krishna. And pass around the songbooks.